Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to talk today about Mizutani scissors and the excellence that those shears possess. And we are going to talk about Mizutani Shears versus other top brands. Okay? And let's see. Let's briefly discuss the rising popularity in these scissors. These scissors have become very popular very quickly. And their rise in popularity is part of the reason I wanted to go to make this video. They are, these are the kind of different scissors that they make. Look at the different, these are just unlike any other brand. These are Damascus. I want to just dive into something real quick. I want you to look at the unique hand-forged construction and the materials used in Mizutani shears. So look at that hand-forged construction. Each one of those dots are just banged in there, with a hammer and a tool that makes each one of those divots. And then I just want to talk really quick about some of the metals that are used with Mizutani. First and foremost, yes, they use Damascus steel. These have such a high level of they're just so superior of sharpness. They're very, very sharp. The ergonomics behind them are unbelievable. I want to emphasize another thing really quick. These are a great pair of scissors. These are the Serenits. Shout out to JB Mazel. And these have something called nano powdered metal. You can see, I don't know if you could see it in there or not. This is the only company in the world, scissor-wise, they use nano-powdered metal. These also have nano-powdered metal. Nano-powdered metal is a very fine molecule of metal that's the finest molecule that you can get. And so it just really gives it that crisp, clean cut gripping of the hair. These are made of nano-powdered metal as well. These have a curvature. These are the Acro Z2s. Very good scissor. There's some competitors out there, Jaguar, Kamasori, and I'll tell you what, none of them use nano-powdered metal. Not one of them. So that just tells you something about Mizutani. We are the only scissor company that uses nano-powdered metal. We're the only scissor company that does a bunch of things. Compare some of the... Look, I just want to tell you there's no comparison to the way these cut and the sharpness of these compared to any other brand. These are the best. And so I just wanted to offer an honest insight about these scissors. You can see the different scissors that I have. Just an honest insight about Mizutani scissors and why they're the best. Look, durability and longevity wise, these come with a lifetime warranty. These are just some of my scissors. Look, my name's on there, Thomas Baca, barber. And you know what? I also wanted to give a shout out to, there's a few artists that, that use our scissors. So just to kind of let you know, JB Mazel, #1, the creator of these, the Serenits. These are one of my favorite scissors right now. Steve Moody, I have his shears at my salon. You could find him on Instagram, Moody Hair. He has a great pair of nano-powdered scissors that he made. He's the artistic director for, I think, Paul Mitchell. You have Sophie, a.k.a. Stay Gold 31 on Instagram. She also uses the scissors Mizutani. I think she has her own pair of scissors. Guys, go check her out. And then Scorum. They came up with these scissors right here, which are the pink flamingos, and these are awesome. These are a great pair of scissors. They're just very, very good. The coating on them makes them very easy to carry, very sharp. They're reverse 30%. Very good pair of blending shears. I use them every day. And so, guys, I just wanted to offer an honest insight, opinions based on research in the industry. I'm an expert in the industry, and those are my recommendations. And, making the right choice, that's a big thing, making the right choice when you're picking a pair of scissors. The ideal choice and preference of your scissors, and how good you want your scissors to be. Mizutani Shears are the best choice compared to any other brand. They come with a lifetime warranty. These are all handmade in Japan. These are the best scissors. I highly recommend buying a pair. Guys, look, I encourage viewers to use the best tools that you could possibly use in any industry. So if you're in the barbering industry, let's use the best tools. These provide the highest quality of scissors that I have, and I use them every day in my men's salon. And, I'd like to provide a link right now, and that's going to be to my salon, sirmenssalon.com. And you can go there and look and see what I do. My website, everyone can book an appointment through there if you're in the Albuquerque, New Mexico area. If you'd also like to purchase a pair of Mizutani scissors, you're more than welcome to call the shop number, the salon, and that's area code 505-508-5078. And you can also go down to Instagram, and you can follow Thomas Baca _. And you can also DM me if anyone wants a pair of scissors in any state, anywhere. I can get those to you. I'll give you a discount if you mention this video, if you're following me on Instagram, or if you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So, guys, I appreciate your time and energy. I can't wait to show you more scissors, guys. MizutaniScissors.com. You can also go there. I am a authorized distributor in the state of New Mexico. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful day.